The BNI can deliver only on two fronts. Either it gives you networking or business or both.
बिहार हैज ओनली वन रीजन, दैट इज पटना। उसके बाद बिहार में कोई रीजन है नहीं, तो इंटर रीजन कोऑर्डिनेटर जो भी करेगा वो बिहार के बाहर कर पाएगा।
So BNI Connect, it's a website like BNI Connect obviously, where you can learn in and you can grow your business.
कोई भी BNI मेंबर एक भी बंदा खाली नहीं जाने वाला है इन 6 महीनों में।
और मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा गया था। I have 7 referrals and all the 7 referrals are from this lab. Each and every member of the Astral chapter comes either in green or in amber. उसके ऊपर नहीं, तो हमारा उसके नीचे नहीं, सॉरी उसके नीचे नहीं। तो अगर मतलब हम लोग बहुत फोन करने वाले हैं, बहुत डिस्टर्ब करने वाले हैं, तो प्लीज बेयर विद अस। और
उसके लिए पहले से माफी मांग ले।
हाँ, पहले से माफी मांगे।
थैंक यू।
I think being in green is good for all of us. I think being in amber or being in green is good for all of us because उससे engagement हमारा भी बढ़ेगा, हमारा खुद का interest बढ़ेगा, and the more we are engaged, the more we'll be able to extract business for ourselves and also for others within this group. So looking forward to this role.
This time these two have promised that we'll get 15 green pins to the chapter. Green pins is basically when a single member stays in green for 3 months continuously. So Rohit and Anurag have promised the LT that they'll make sure that we have 15 green pins in the coming 3 months. So guys, make sure he is going to call you, WhatsApp you, message you, mail you, and do everything possible in their rights so that you guys are in green. And I request all of you to also please cooperate with them. And a huge round of applause for them to take this ownership.
And by the way, we have 2, so you will be assigned to one of them, okay? And this time, rather than doing presentations on Go Green, we'll have one-to-one sessions on Go Green, wherein you can sit with either of them, whoever adopts you, and they will sit with you and tell you how you can move and improve your business via the Go Green parameters set up by BNI. So thank you everyone. And
Just take Rohit has to say something.
About the referrals, I just want to share one incident. Last week मेरा 1-to-1 हुआ था किसले के साथ, और मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा गया था। I have 7 referrals and all the 7 referrals are from किसले। उसका रीजन ये है कि हम दोनों आमने सामने बैठे थे, अपना फोन निकाले, कॉन्टैक्ट्स खोले, और उस कॉन्टैक्ट से he gave me 7 to 8 referrals and I also gave him 7 referrals. So this is one technique that we can apply with ourselves when we are doing 1-to-1.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Anurag. You can please take your seats. Today was the theme of the meeting was Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji. And I'm very sure every one of us, each one of us had a favorite teacher. Right? Now he is our teacher to help us grow in BNI, to help us know how to get success in BNI. And guys, now it is 9 months that you are into BNI. It's 9 months into BNI. So now this is the time when we can think of getting businesses ahead. So Vikas Kandu is an experienced BNI member who knows BNI in and out. Is going to help us do the mentor. He's going to mentor us and he's going to help us grow businesses in BNI. Thank you, Vikas.
Good morning, everyone. So my focus would be on 2 agendas. Like I'll try to engage more and more new members so that they can gel up with the existing team and they can just understand how to understand, explore and exploit this platform. And second agenda would be that to set the expectation right of the every member. The BNI can deliver only on 2 fronts. Either it gives you networking or business or both. We cannot expect more than this. So we have to set our expectation right. So I'll try to make you achieve whatever your expectation from BNI is. Thank you.
No one-to-one partner,
Vaibhav is our next one-to-one coordinator people, and he's there because he was the last VP. So now I understand his pain. I know उसको क्या क्या करना पड़ता था. So he knows his job very well. That is why we have not printed his roles also. We know Vaibhav will teach everyone and us also how to go out one-to-ones, and that is why Vaibhav, you have to take this ownership and do it in the best possible manner. And trust me, all the members are here, are your team in building a better one-to-one platform for you. So please just explain them.
Thank you, the new ND team. So it's a critical role, I know, and I'll take it forward very nicely.
He's going to be the education coordinator. He's going to be the one who's going to educate us all about BNI and how to grow in BNI. And he is the one who will be in charge of all the education slots that are happening.
Like previously, Vikas Kandoi has covered up almost all the things very good. But this time we'll be revising, and this time I won't be doing alone. I mean, all of you will be the part of the edu slot. Like one-to-one coordinator can take a week on how to do proper ways of one-to-one. Like Piyush already said कि जाकर के photo खिंचाना one-to-one नहीं होता. So like we plan in a better way.
So we have an inter-region coordinator, and by the way, the coordinator is the guy who conducted the last, who was a very critical part in conducting the team's visit here. We have two esteemed BNI members whom we are already in talk in terms of visiting their region, Calcutta and Lucknow, and we are going to focus a lot in this role. And any guess for who is the inter-region?
एक बार गैस बात नहीं करवाना. पहले एक चीज सबको क्लियर करता हूँ. बिहार has only one region, that is Patna. उसके बाद बिहार में कोई और रीजन है नहीं. तो इंटर रीजन कोऑर्डिनेटर जो भी करेगा वो बिहार के बाहर करवाएगा. So now you have to give a huge round of applause for the inter-region coordinator who is going to give you beautiful evenings before the conclave and after the conclave. And I would request the inter-region conclave coordinator, Mr. Sumit Agarwal, to please stand up and give a huge round of applause for the last president who has guided and made this happen what we are today, and who will take it forward with the inter-region coordinator role. Thank you so much, people. So Mohit has taken the responsibility of BNI Connect coordinator, and congratulations, Mohit, and please guide us about how you are going to take it forward.
So BNI Connect, it's a website like BNI Connect, obviously, where you can learn in and you can grow your business. You can connect with a lot of members through BNI Connect, and like you can join in various kinds of groups related to your, like Sir said, he has an event group over there. Anyone can have a furniture group or cement group, all of that all over India, wherever, or the worldwide, wherever it is present, you need any kind of connects, BNI is always there to help you. So I'll be soon taking an education slot where I'll be teaching you how you can utilize it really gratefully. Thank you.
Congratulations. Now, the next.
With Mr. Vikas Chandra taking over this role, Vikas ji, I would like to enlighten you about some things that everybody should also understand. Whosoever gives a feature presentation, as we already know that it should reach the LT by Sunday or Saturday. I would also request you to send your feature presentations ready and send it to Mr. Vikas Chandra by Friday. Sunday party करते हैं उस दिन नहीं देखेंगे. So Friday को please everybody send it to him and take guidance from him, because feature presentation does not just mean to tell people मैं क्या बेचता हूँ. To tell people कि मैं क्या दे सकता हूँ. There's a difference. मैं being a plastic person 15,000 SKU है मेरे पास, but then to this room I can give only I think 300-400 products. So I should focus on those. So Mr. Vikas Chandra is here to guide us about that.
Thank you LT team for giving me this opportunity. Thank you Piyush. तुमने सारे मेरे डायलॉग ऑलरेडी बोल दिए. मेरे लिए कुछ छोड़ा ही नहीं. फ्यूचर प्रेजेंटेशन क्या है ये हम सभी लोग जानते हैं, हर हफ्ते होता है ये, बट हम इसे कैसे बेहतर तरीके से और करेंगे ये हम सब इस 6 महीने में डिसाइड करेंगे कि कैसे करना है इस चीज को. कोई भी BNI मेंबर, एक भी बंदा खाली नहीं जाने वाला है इन 6 महीनों में. जितने भी गैप करी और जितने भी सोचा कि अब मेरे फ्यूचर प्रेजेंटेशन की बारी है तो भाई मैं कहीं शिफ्ट जाऊं, मुझे ना बोलने का मौका मिले, खुद मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, एक्सेप्टेड. खुद मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है, और इस चीज को हम लोग और बेहतर तरीके से करेंगे. फ्यूचर ये एक ऐसी जगह है कि जहां आपके दुकान, आपके ऑफिस, आपके कार्यस्थल, आपके वर्क प्लेस पे लोग जाते नहीं है, आप अपना वर्क स्टेशन यहाँ लेकर आते हैं सबके सामने। हाँ? तो इसको कैसे करना है हम सब मिलकर के डिसाइड करेंगे, 1 to 1 भी करेंगे इसके बारे में, एंड विल डू बेटर।
Thank you.
As happy morning BNI. As everyone knows कि ये एक नया कैटेगरी है रोस्टर कोऑर्डिनेटर। तो एक थॉट मेरे माइंड में है कि रोस्टर्स के थ्रू हमारे हर मीटिंग्स में हम लोग कोई ना कोई आस्क और गिफ्ट देते हैं, बट आफ्टर मीटिंग बहुत लोग याद रखते हैं, नोट डाउन करते हैं या माइंड से स्लिप कर जाता है क्योंकि यूजुअल डेज में हम वर्क में बिजी हो जाते हैं। तो इस बार हम लोग क्या करेंगे, नया प्लानिंग जो मेरा थॉट है कि आपका जो भी गिफ्ट और आस्क होगा वो हर मंथ का हम लोग मतलब आपके नेम्स के आगे वो प्रिंट रहेगा, सो दैट कि हम लोग उनको उनके आस्क और गिफ्ट को प्रॉपर्ली पूरा कर पाए। और इस सेक्शन में एक चीज और ही रहेगा कि अगर किसी को अपना एड्स देना है तो वो भी आप लोग रोस्टर्स में दे सकते हैं, सो दैट कि उसको मैक्सिमम प्रमोशंस हम लोग उस वे में कर सकते हैं।
सबसे पहले तो XLT टीम सुमित, वैभव, मेघा एंड अमित भैया सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई। BNI एस्टल को एक नए आयाम तक ले जाने के लिए, नए आयाम तक पहुंचाने के लिए अब जो नया LT टीम बना है उसकी जिम्मेदारी और बढ़ जाती है कि उसको उस मुकाम से और ऊपर ले जाने के लिए। तो इसलिए जो नया टीम बनाया गया है, बहुत बहुत बधाई सबको, और सब अपने अपने काम अच्छे से करेंगे भी। मुझे अटेंडेंस कोऑर्डिनेटर बनाया गया है और इस बार कोई अगर बंक करने वाला है तो बहुत दिक्कत आने वाला है। अब जिम्मेदारी बढ़ गई है तो इसलिए आप भी कोशिश करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे, और नहीं करना ही है, इसलिए जिम्मेदारी भी बढ़ गई है और इस बार बंक करने वाले के लिए शामत भी है।
मेंबरशिप कमेटी के बहुत सारे रूल्स हैं क्योंकि वीपी बताएंगे। इसमें एक मेजर रूल है कि जो न्यू इंडक्शन ऑफ मेंबर्स है, तो इसमें अभी मैं BNI का एक वीडियो देख रहा था, तो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जिसने अप्लाई किया सब हमारे अगर मेंबर बन गया तो मतलब मेंबरशिप कमेटी ने कुछ भी नहीं किया है। तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ मेंबर जो कि विद इन ए वीक होना है, जो भी अप्लाई करते हैं, हम लोग उस फिल्ट्रेशन को बहुत ही स्पेसिफिकली लेंगे। एंड इफ यू आर द लीडर ऑफ योर बिजनेस देन ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू इंडक्ट यू इन आवर चैप्टर। सो दिस विल बी आवर प्रायोरिटी। अच्छे मेंबर्स आएंगे अच्छे बिजनेस के।
On time, before time, I beat you today. And Rakesh Jaiswal.
आज इसलिए मनीष जी थोड़ा सैड है क्योंकि आज हार गया।
लास्ट मनीष जी से मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मेरा कोई कंपटीटर पैदा हो गया है और मैं चाहूंगा कि जितने मेंबर हैं सब मेरे से कंपटीशन करें और मेरे से पहले आए। थैंक यू।
Thank you, LT team, for this opportunity. One more person, Yugan.
Yes.
Please come forward.
Yes, so I'll ask Kunal to hand over the visitor host team.
Mr. Gokul Kumar, Mr. Madhav Bhardwaj, Mrs. Megha Agarwal, and Mr. Sandeep Khaitan. संदीप भैया को सिर्फ इसलिए डाला है क्योंकि सबको पता है। And Madhav ji is there to exploit or get exploited. So he is going to help you guys in whichever way possible to get more connects. Sandeep bhaiya will give you business ideas. जो Saket Swargawati और सब will gain that. Gokul ji, since he has done a lot of one-to-ones and he has been to a lot of places, he met a lot of people, a lot of business from BNI. So he will help you guys generate business. Any other problems, please contact each and every member of membership committee. They are there to help you. We also have one more member, Mr. Shashi Agarwal, who is not present here due to his missing of the flight last night. He has sent me a boarding ticket जो उन्होंने flight miss किया उसका. So he is not here. So all 6 of them are there to help you, and if there is anything else, I am there to help you. Thank you so very much.